I might be looking more tired lately, and that's because I've decided to quit this one thing again. Yes, it's coffee. I've talked about coffee a few times over various videos, and I've been drinking coffee for easily, I don't know, almost maybe, maybe, no, not 30 years, maybe 25 years now. And I especially started drinking coffee a lot when I was in college, and the amount I've been drinking has varied over the years, and I've quit and started it back again off and on, and I've decided to quit yet again. And yes, coffee has some health benefits, but regular caffeine consumption and stimulants can have a negative effect on your health. But me quitting coffee isn't just a health issue this time around. The thought of me quitting coffee actually made me feel nervous, and that opened my eyes to the fact that this is something that I am dependent on whether I want to accept it or not. And I'm at a point in my life that I'm trying to eliminate anything that I will feel I need to have throughout the day to function at my best. This also bothered me from a spiritual standpoint because I don't want to feel like I need anything except Jesus. So I've started tapering myself off of coffee to not do it too painfully, as I have gone cold turkey in the past and it can be quite painful from a headache standpoint. But as I've been reducing the amount of coffee that I'm drinking on a daily basis, I truly believe that this is a path that was led by God, and I feel like this is the right thing to do from a physical, mental, and spiritual standpoint. So, I wanted to ask for those of you that follow Christ, what is it that still exists in your daily routine that you feel nervous about getting rid of? You may want to look into that deeper. As Christians, the only thing you should wake up and feel the need for to function optimally is Christ. Now, from a health standpoint, you have to take into consideration that even though there are some health benefits to coffee and caffeine, you have to think about the things that it's masking. Why do you need to drink these things or consume these things to feel energy and awake and the ability to focus or function throughout the day? There is a deeper problem there, either from your sleep or stress management, or there could be something else going on that's making you feel fatigued. But rather than masking it with coffee and caffeine, you should be trying to get to the underlying cause and address it there. And so I don't want to be a hypocrite, and I don't want to promote that people are to follow a healthy diet and lifestyle and address all of these factors that can affect their energy if I'm not doing that personally. And so I never said that I was perfect, but here I am trying to do better and be better to set a good example for you guys. So if there's anything left in your life that you feel you can't compromise on and that you have to have this thing, otherwise life is not worth living, put it in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys are dependent on. But you should really look into it and ask yourself, is this something that you really want to be dependent on? Do you want to be dependent on anything? And find out, why do you need this thing, or what can you do to get off of this thing and improve your situation? So comment, follow, and share if this video resonates with you. Let me know what your journey with coffee has been like, because I know that a lot of people have mixed feelings when it comes to coffee. So what I've been doing in the meantime to help decrease the coffee and transition to something else is two products I've been using. One is Dandy Blend, which is a dandelion powdered mixture with chicory root and I think something else in it, but very plain powder mix that has some health benefits like from dandelion and such. And this is pretty mild. It certainly can't compare to coffee in regards to flavor either, but it's a nice mixture that I combine with another product, which is Cree Brew, if that's how you pronounce it, but that's the cacao. So I have those two things, and I've been slowly decreasing the amount of coffee that I add to that. And that has helped me to get off of the coffee. And I'm basically, today's probably going to be my last day because I'm down to such a tiny amount. It's not really having any impact. So if you're looking to get off of coffee or some other drink, one way to help yourself is to find an alternative. Uh, and obviously, nothing can compare to coffee. I used to drink my coffee very strong, and so nothing can compare, but you just have to suck it up if it's that important to you to get off of it. You'll figure it out and you'll learn to like something else. But you could do herbal teas, and there's a variety of other things on the market that you can try to help replace the coffee and get off of that. So let me know if you guys are drinking anything else in particular that has helped you to get off of coffee. Click the link in my bio to get your free copy of the 3 reasons you're sick and overweight and how to fix it. If you're interested in getting help, if you are very overweight and chronically ill and just feeling poorly, and you'd like to learn about diet and lifestyle changes that can help improve your health and achieve sustainable weight loss, then you can schedule a free consultation. Thanks.